Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the most simple cobblestone farm you have ever made, and it's very efficient, trust me. So we're gonna see, this is the farm, and hold on, just do that. And it's very efficient, and you can just sit here mining for like hours just doing this, in case like if you need a lot of cobblestone, depends how much you need. And another thing is, this cobblestone generator does not lose even one bit of cobblestone that break. Everything is very secure, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So the things you need is right here. This is what you need. So I'm going to grab all of this and let's start. So first thing what you got to do is you have to dig exactly how I'm digging. Don't mess it up. To dig this cross, and then the middle and one side of it. That goes too deep, 2 blocks deep. And now you place a chest down here, and then you use the hopper and you connect it to the chest. There you go. Wait, I think, okay, anyway. And then you have to take the cobblestone stairs, put it this way, and then you take the water bucket, put it in the cobblestone stairs. Now you take the crafting table, put it there. You take the lava bucket, put it there, and this 7 stone slabs you have to use like this, just for protection. There you go. Now you have to take this iron trapdoor, put it here, and the lever back here. Easy. Now, and telling you again that this cobblestone generator does not burn even one bit of the cobblestone that you break. So everything is saved properly in your chest. Because normally what happens with cobblestone generators is the cobblestone falls inside the lava. Sometimes the player falls in the lava by mistake. And just make sure you don't dig straight down like this, because you'll be breaking the hopper if the cobblestone takes some time to reach in. Yeah, that's all. Face the crafting table and break it. That's all, guys. It's just quite easy of a cobblestone generator, and it's quite efficient. I hope you like this video. Please like the video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.